So our project is called Between the Lines, and it was deducted out from our urban concept. But first, I would like to start a bit with the analysis of our space. We did a bit of analyzing with the cycling lanes, where the pedestrians can go, metro, also trains, buses, but also what cars involved. The Our concept is going like after analyzing the building site, we realized that we can refer to the certain view axis from the street and the Danube. You can see this in the first diagram. In the second diagram, we thought about connecting through a bridge the old space and the new space. So the Danube promenade with the city, and also making it accessible on each side. In the third diagram, we wanted to create through the view of the lines, the buildings, but also through the street axis, we wanted to create outdoor commune spaces. Here we are the types of apartments we build. We have the one module apartment that is also suited for 1 or 2 people. The type 2 is suited for a sharing flat, like for 4 people, but also can use it as for a family. Type 3 is also for a family, for a bigger family with 3 kids, and type 4 is for a regular family. Antonia?
Can you go once back?
Yep, sorry.
Thanks. The main module is the same module in every type that we have. So everything can run smoothly and be next to each other. And the last type of type 4 is the maisonette type that is placed on the water. Only thing I wanted to say. Thanks. Next one.
Here you can also see the.
You go.
You can also see here how the modules were put together also on the mainland, but also on the water. It can also be seen through the floor plan, but also through the sections.
And we wanted to let the modules be really between the ways, so that we don't change very much of the layouting of the heights. And we don't take space away from the pedestrians or from the other people. Here we can see how we put the modules together so in a line next to each other. This is the way we choose to have them on the side. Every module, so every orange square has three modules on each side, and 3 or 2 modules on each side. And this is how we could they're able to be taken apart as well. We can see also the communal spaces that we have created. We try to make them next to the openings that we have, next to the free spaces that we've created between our modules.
These are the common spaces Antonia talked about that we made. Also, so we made a view from a top view so you can see it better. Like we have near the common spaces indoor and also the common spaces outdoor.
We try to animate them. We try to, so we have playgrounds for children, sport facilities for all ages, and even gardening possibilities. And below we see the view towards the city of our module. It starts on top and then it goes all the way down.
We have here an atmosphere that is between the modules on the water and the modules on the mainland, but also with outdoor common spaces. This is also a view from the bridge. On the bridge, we can also go with the ambulance, for example, from one side to the other side um, of the bridge through the ramps.
Our modules are made out of wood. The 8-meter long walls are the supporting parts and are built from solid wood, and the walls with the windows are designed as a wood frame construction, as you can see on the left. The modules are assembled in the hall and then brought to the construction site by ship or truck. They will be placed one by one in the position by a crane. And each module is insulated separately, so that the placement during the reconstruction would be easier. And down we also have the bridge. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, sorry. Can I go on the other?
Yeah, thanks. During dismantling, each module is separated from the whole system and loaded onto the ship, where they're transported across the Danube to the Black Sea to a port. We've shown on the left down. We've shown the way through the Danube that we have to do to reach Ukraine. The strength of the module is that it can be transported both on land and on water. And the next one, we've made a couple of concept ideas how the modules can be rearranged or placed after in the reconstruction in Ukraine. And one example is in Odessa. And the next one would be in Kiev, where different open areas between the modules are created and the placement can be chosen accordingly to the site, to the new site.
But
thank you.
Each one can take their module like their home and put it also in their backyard. So they are together, but they also can be splitted and be put it separately. So you can put I don't know, a 2 module apartment somewhere else. So yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you.